Hi, I'm Doug Johnson with CyberTrust IT Solutions, and this is the security tip of the week. IT security tip number 15. Set up bank alerts now. Here's a tip that just might save your bacon. Set up withdrawal alerts on your bank accounts. Many banks will send you an email alert whenever money is withdrawn from your account via check, debit, or transfer. Setting up those alerts will allow you to spot and report fraudulent activity before the money has already been siphoned into a cybercriminal's hands. Second tip, require dual-factor authentication to access your bank account. Most banks will have this as a security setting in your account. That simply means that when you try to log in, you'll be asked to enter a 4 or 5-digit code sent to your mobile phone or your personal email. This will prevent a hacker from being able to get in, even if they crack your password. Thank you for tuning in to the Security Tip of the Week. Visit our website at cybertrust-it.com today for a free security assessment.